This question is from class 11th textbook, chapter Body Fluids and Circulation. Question 156, NEET 2023. Match list 1 with list 2. So these are the different waves seen in ECG and the events that happen. Okay, so let's look at the option also. So first things first, P wave. ECG looks something like this. There's a dip and then it rises up, goes down, and there is, so this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and then T wave. So P wave is the impulse, the begins depolarization of atria. When the impulse set in, it depolarizes atria. So P wave is depolarization of atria. A is 3. Where is A3? So luckily A3 is only in option 3. That means we have our answer. Yes, so we have the answer. But still we will confirm other options also. So what happens after depolarization of atria? See, depolarization is, this is happening electrically. So electrical impulses, they travel faster and actual atrial contraction will be slightly delayed. So at this step, the depolarization of atria occurs, but the contraction or the what we say the systole begins at this point because there is some delay, and the reason is electrical impulses travel faster than actual muscular contraction. So Q wave will correspond to the beginning of systole. So A is 3, B is 1. Then QRS. This indicates now the electrical impulses have reached the ventricles. So this indicates depolarization of ventricles. So QRS, this whole complex indicates depolarization of ventricles. C is 4. And during this step, since the at the P wave atria got depolarized, so during this event there is repolarization of atria also happening. But since QRX complex is so strong, it masks the wave, the small wave which is produced in repolarization of atria. Okay, so that gets hidden somewhere. So T wave will be repolarization of ventricles. Once the depolarization happens, it will be followed by repolarization of ventricles. So we can see separate ways for ventricular depolarization and ventricular repolarization. But we don't see anything for repolarization of atria because it gets masked by this wave QRS. So this is pretty simple, basic, and very interesting. So T wave will be 2. And that is what we have. A3, B1, C4 and D2. That's all regarding ECG. Thank you very much for watching this video.